In this video, we will explain about system of equation and inequalities and trigonometry. System of equation. There's two methods in system of equation: elimination method and substitution method. Example for this kind of equation will provide later. Next, system of inequalities. Y must be positive before shading the region. The shaded region is referred to the positive of Y. More information you should know in system of inequalities is when we have to use solid line and dot line. Solid line if the symbol in equation show less than and equal to or more than and equal to, while dot line for the symbol less than or more than. Next is trigonometry. Basic thing we should know is how to convert radian to degree and degree to radian. And then arc length formula and area of sector of circle formula.
Now we will look at problem statement for chapter 3. We have two questions is from September 2015 and October 2016. This is the solution for the question number 1. This is the solution for the question number 2.
Okay, let's go through some of the examples of questions from chapter 4. First question. There is a diagram below that shows a circle with the letter O at its center. The question states that the length of the minor arc is 18 cm and the angle of the major sector POQ is 218 degrees. The first thing that this question asks is the angle of theta in radians. To find the theta, we need to subtract the angle of the major sector POQ from the angle of the circle. After we get the answer, we need to convert it into a radian. The second thing that it wants us to find is the perimeter of the major sector POQ. The formula that we can use to find the perimeter or major sector POQ is arc length plus radius. But we still didn't have the values of arc length and radius. The first thing we should do is find the radius. We can find the radius using the length of arc formula. After we find the radius, we need to find the angle of the major POQ. After we get both of the values, we can substitute them into the formula for arc length. We can find the perimeter of the major sector POQ after we get both the arc length and radius values. The second example question. The diagram below shows a circle with center O and radius 40 cm. Given that P, Q, and R are points such that OP equal to PQ and OPR equal to 90 degree. Find angle of QOR in radian. Okay, we can use the formula of cos to find the radius cos we already have the value of adjacent and hypotenuse. Cos POR equal to 7/14. Transfer cos to let it become cos inverse 7/14. Calculate it and we got the answer of 1.047 rate. POR and QOR is equal, so the answer for angle POR is same with angle QOR. Okay, second, find the area of the shaded region. To find the area of the shaded region, we need to minus the area of QOR and the area of the triangle. First, we need to find the area of QOR using the formula of 1/2 r power 2 theta. After done, we need to find the area of the triangle using the formula of 1/2 AB sin C. After we get both of the area values, we need to minus it to get the answer.
Function trigonometry in daily life. Firstly, architecture used to determine curved surface in building materials such as steel and glass. Second, them need to able to think of the correct measurements and angle in the plan. Secondly, engineering use the trigonometry for design a bridge. And also, engineer can know the magnitude velocity with a specific bearing direction.
This is how to write an inequality to represent real life. For example, in Malaysia, the minimum age to obtain a full class A, B2, B or C motorcycle license is 16 years old. In order to write an inequality, we want to look for keywords. In this statement, the keywords are minimum. So the age must be minimum 16 years old to obtain a full class. How old could they be? Well, they could be 16, 17, 20, 30, or 45, or any of other ages in between, as long as they are at least 16 years old. So first, we want to determine what inequality sign is going to represent minimum. Well, they have to be minimum 16. We know they can't be less than 16. So we can get rid of two inequality sign, less than and equal to. Now we only have two inequality sign left, greater than and greater than equal to. Since it's minimum to 16 years old, that means the age could be exactly 16 or more than 16 years old. So the inequality sign we will use is greater than or equal to. We can write the inequality like this.